The Centers for Disease Control says the risk of coronavirus spreading in schools is small, and based on its new research, says schools can reopen during the pandemic.
But the key to returning to school, they say, lies outside the classroom. CBS 2's Hazel Sanchez has this.
The Frisch High School in Paramus, New Jersey has been open since the fall. Students learning in the classroom full time without remote instruction. Dr. Jennifer Blank teaches chemistry there.
My principal and the administration has taken a lot of steps to keep us open because it's just so important to have students in school. We taught outside for a while, intense, until it was too cold not to.
They also follow strict mask and social distancing rules, which is what the Centers for Disease Control says can make it possible for students to learn in person during the pandemic. Melanie Lakai has 4 children, 2 in hybrid schools in Ringwood, New Jersey.
It feels really safe on the days that I send them to school. It doesn't feel like they're in danger.
But there is a caveat. Based on a CDC study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, scientists say infection rates remain low when local communities also exercise limits to indoor dining, gyms, and social gatherings. Jennifer Grom, a high school teacher in Bergen County, says there lies the hurdle. She's keeping her 3 children at home for now.
A lot of the things mentioned in the CDC guidelines are politically unpopular things, like closing indoor dining or closing gyms.
The CDC says limiting high-risk activities like indoor sports will also limit the spread in schools.
As a mom who's just aching for normalcy and for her kids to be back in school, and I want that, but I want it when it's right.
Scientists say there is little evidence to show schools cause large outbreaks, and that won't change if everyone in and outside school does their part. Hazel Sanchez, CBS 2 News.
And according to a CDC survey of nearly 15,000 school districts nationwide, only 17% were open for full in-person learning in the fall.